Hello, this is Mike, and today I will show you a tutorial on how to use the grab condition. So in this scene I will add a bowl here, and I will convert that into an interactive object like that. So in order for the grab to work, you have several things to do. The first one is on the root of the object, of the interactive object, you have to change the manipulation mode, because by default it's set to none, and we want to be able to grab it, so we choose grab. And you have the grab distance at which the object can be grabbed, then the attraction speed, which is the speed at which the object will come into your hand when you grab it. The snap and grab is another option that lets you define the rotation and position of the objects once it's grabbed. So by default you can see that those green cubes are the different zones that we can interact with, and they are not exactly the same size as our bowl, so we can change that. It's specifically the hand hover, which is the zone that defines where the hand can point to detect objects. So if we move this one or like the size of the ball, like that, we can now try to grab the object by pointing at it. You see the line is changing its color from white to blue, and if I hit the trigger, now I have the ball in the hand. So to be more realistic, we can just activate the gravity by unchecking the is kinematic. And let's add a basket on the playground. So convert that basket into an interactive object, and we will make a first condition that hides the basket at start. So hide at start, and there will be no conditions here, so that means that the actions here will be executed right away when we hit play. And we want the visuals to be deactivated, all of them in this IO. So if I hit play, you should see the basket disappear. Let's see if it works. Yes. Now we want another interaction on the basket. By duplicating this first one, I can rename it show when ball grabbed, so that when the user will grab the ball, the basket will appear. So the conditions for this one is grab here, and you can choose which hand the user has to use, but we will just let both hands. And you can either choose the condition to be valid when the user grabs the object or ungrabs, releases the object. So we will choose grab, and which object has to be grabbed. By default it's the IO itself, but in our case we need the ball instead. So let me drag the ball here. So that says that when the ball is grabbed by any of the user's hands, this condition will be valid. And as an action, I want the visuals of the basket to be activated. So let's see if it works. We should have nothing at start, and as soon as I grab the ball, the basket will appear. Boom. And if I'm not too bad at throwing things, I can try. Oh, missed. But you get the idea. So I hope you liked this short tutorial, and see you.